Country from now, welcome back to my channel today. Pere don come out, come show us the review for the movie where we say in produce of recent, where premiere for cinemas, and also Adekunle don come out to come show the fans how to audition for the Big Brother Naija season where we say they come this year. So onto Pere matter, as you all know, Pere he released the movie The Silent Intruder, and the movie premiere for cinema on the 9th of February 2024, which is this month. And since the movie come out, if una check una go see say most of the people that Naija housemates, they're not really dey supportive of him, but I go still get to that aspect. Some come out, come show us the amount of money where the movie don't make in just 10 days. So as you can see, you go see say na 23.2 M in 10 days. Now the movie don make. So I suppose that thing in come out come say, just want to say a big thank you to everyone who took our time to go to cinema to watch The Silent Intruder. You will all agree with me, is the movie of the season. We made a great movie. Thank you so much. I genuinely love you guys. Please keep watching, go to cinemas with your friends, and spread the word about this movie like you already have. The Silent Intruder is still showing in cinemas. Please take a friend to go watch this beautiful movie. So I come notice to say, unlike Funke Akindele movie, for those of now be say really follow up that Funke Akindele promotion, those type of things, I go find and say when the movie they premiere for cinema, all her colleagues, most of them come out to come support her. But for Pere on, I dey only see Boma and Neo and Venita. Now be the only people where be say they'll consistently support this guy for this movie. And for Venita part, I go say na because she na person wey be say follow out for the movie, and all of us not to say Boma na Pere man right from time, and Neo too. Two of them just start their bromance for the Big Brother Naija All Stars season. But another thing wey be say I notice be say if it still be say Pere no dey support people for their own event, for their own celebrations, the law of nature say you rub my back, I rub your own. That na just the bitter truth. So I just believe say maybe now because Pere no dey even support people, maybe no dey there for his friends, people wey be say they close to her, all those type of things, for other housemates, I mean, now make them not really gree help am. Because if you check and where those housemates, or most of them, they get so many fans, so they fit just carry their fans, tell their fans say, I'm going to the cinema, if you want to see me, come there, I'm going to the cinema to watch the movie, just to promote the guy movie. But it turned out say none of them, nobody even send the guy movie. So I don't know. So make we just see some of the review where we say some of the fans will watch the movie actually talk about the movie. So the best because say I just finished watching Silent Intruder at the festival mall Festac Town. Pere, take your flowers. Very interesting, exciting one. 100% cinema standard. Come clap. Thank you. 16 years in marriage. Communication is very important, and I think love is not enough. Expecting more beautiful movies from you. Come put love emoji. I'm gonna say the suspense in this movie. Come put pum 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 pum. The last person here can say, my friend came by and convinced me to go see a movie. I asked, is an interesting? If not, I'm getting a refund. She said no problem. To my surprise, at the cinema, she was able to convince more people to watch. While watching the movie is full of suspense and interesting, I really love the movie, and I'm definitely seeing the movie again with my partner. The Silent Intruder, kudos to the cast and crews. Well, I don't know. Make una tell me if Pere not going for that people function, I make if fellow Big Brother Naija people not send am me and the movie, or maybe because they feel say na bad person. I don't know. Make una help me explain why, how una see am, why be say people if a fellow housemates no bother to help and promote this movie. Onto Adekunle matter. Adekunle he asked me a question yesterday, and some of the questions where be say he asked include one of them where be say in they try to tell fans how they go fit take audition for the Big Brother Naija where be say they come this year. So I go first of all give una some of the questions and the answers where be say give before I show una the one for the audition. So the first question when say they ask Adekunle for here, I pick just like three to talk about. So and the first one maybe say I pick for here, they say what keeps you moving? Dex, you can go say the fear of poverty. Oh. Everybody is scared of poverty. Let's just be honest, because with the way this country they go, dollar is 1,800 as of today is a lot to swallow. So the next question, the question say, what's your relationship status? That one a very interesting question. In can say waiting for marriage. You he not tell us whether they see God or he just say waiting for marriage. But I not go fit trap this boy because he's too smart. Another question can say, what's a relationship deal breaker for you? Then can say an inconsiderate partner. I just hope say Venita they see this in particular thing where we say right for there. This one when you say an inconsiderate partner. So I just hope say she go see and make she work on that part in case she see the hope say two of them go come together. In can tell and to say because he helped me. Adekunle can tell and to say okay. So when the auditions are open, make sure you are your most authentic self when you're applying. Don't apply with gimmick. They've seen it all. So make sure you are presenting something unique. What's the unique thing about you? So now don't hear, not the one be so now can go use AI on a buy.